What is up, ladies and gentlemen? And in today's video, we're going to be building the Lego Fortnite Purely camp. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let's get into it, shall we? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, here is the final look to this. Here we have it here. We got Purely with a TNT campfire, which was actually interesting how to build. This llama kind of looked weird to start, but I'm kind of liking it. All the extra pieces, a lot of extra pieces in this set. Then we have two here. We got the skeleton. If you guys play Lego Fortnite, you'll know that they spawn at night. She's attacking them. It's Buffalo, like, yeah. Let me know if this was W. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.